Hi friends, welcome to Horse Horizon 91. Today I want to show you one small Excel tip. Okay, um, it's I'm using the Microsoft Excel, Mm, and here I'm going to show you a small trick. If you are using Excel, maybe it will be useful. I don't know, maybe you know this trick or not, but it's a very simple one. Let us it's funny thing is I just discovered this time only, so I hope means I want to share with you guys. Maybe someone will get helpful. If you guys already knew, please so feel free to ignore. Okay, if it is useful, just like and comment. Okay. Okay, that is okay. When you are doing a lot of entries in the Excel sheets, like okay, this is I give some, for example, A, B, C as the title. Okay, when I am entering and going down. Okay, the next I don't know where I am entering. If you are entering a very big page or too many headings underneath, so it will be very difficult. So where to enter, it's difficult, no? So you can make this title available whenever you scroll down. It should always in the same position. So how will you do that? That we have to use the freeze option. So I'm going to see if you want to freeze this headings. I select all the headings. For that I want to freeze it when I scroll down. So I select, then go to view. There is an option freeze panels. So it keeps rows and columns visible while rest of the worksheet scrolls based on the and freeze the top row. That means keep the top row visible while scrolling through the rest of the worksheet. This is what I need. So I just clicked it. Okay, when I scroll down, it won't change. It will be on the top. The first cell is on the top. See the bottom 32. The row is came, but still the first cell got freeze. That's how it works. I hope it's a very helpful tip. If you like this video, please comment and share this tip to the other your friends. Please, professionals, please ignore this video. Thank you guys. Bye bye.